Marhaba, everybody. Salam, salam. This is Laine. Just wanted to come here and give you حبريتا زيادة مزلا ويك علت عسرت حمشته أخيبا خجبري ناي سنة باب ناي إريترا artists for Eritrea and كلهم أبز members لهم. Hope to see you all. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up video gere and قبل عليو كمان أبتناي نتنا واتساب group أو flyer كلتافيو. So yeah, we'll see you soon. This is going to be our first quarterly meeting for 2025. It's about 2024. Moving forward. Can't wait to see you all. Okay. All right. See you on February 15th. Okay. Ciao.